Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video we are going to talk about an all-inclusive festive makeup kit wherein you will find product recommendations of all of the makeup that you would require to dress yourself up this festive season. Also, since festive season is right around the corner, there will be a lot of new interesting festive content up on my Instagram handle as well as my YouTube. So yeah, without further ado, we will move ahead with this video right here, and hopefully this video will take you through all your cute, nice and colorful festive makeup looks. So first let's talk about primers. I have two primers with me right here. The first one is the Blue Heaven Perfect Makeup Base Primer. This is a silicone based primer. It's a clear gel like texture. It smooths out and blurs your pore and gives a perfect canvas for your makeup to last longer. And the best thing about this is that it's super affordable and does its job. I think the packaging of this has changed, however the product remains beautiful as ever. The next product is from the House of Sugar. This is the Bling Leader Illuminating Moisturizer in the shade Pink Trippin. And this product has very finely milled shimmer particles. It's almost of the consistency of a moisturizer. So it's great for dry skin type people, and oily skin type people you will need really less with this. थोड़ा सा ही लेना है and ये बहुत अच्छा ग्लो देता है फेस को, and थोड़ा एक्सपेंसिव है. आई थिंक ये कुछ 799 800 ऐसे ही रेंज का प्रोडक्ट है. बट इफ़ यू हैव द बजट टू spend on this, then definitely this is a great product. It gives a very nice, subtle but a natural glow on your face, and this is highly recommended. Now moving on to foundations, I wanted to keep the foundations very affordable but of good quality. So the first recommendation is the Maybelline Fit Me. This is the OG loved by all foundation, and I don't think I need to give a review on this. It's a very good product. It's lightweight, blendable, medium coverage, but is also buildable to a higher coverage if you want. And it comes in a variety of shades. Also this Chotu tube comes in an amazing price point. It's just for 299 rupees. However, the shade range is a bummer for the smaller packaging. But yeah, if you find your shade, this is a great product to go for. The next product has actually blown my mind. This is a new launch by a brand whose lipsticks we all loved in our college days. This foundation is like, oh my god. This is the Miss Claire Everyday Foundation. It's a new launch and I have it in the shade Classic Tan. The best thing about this is that it comes in a variety of shades. I'm sure आपको आपका shade ज़रूर मिलेगा इसमें. And this is actually great on coverage as well. It does not sit patchy, it's not drying, it's just the perfect foundation, you guys. And I was blown away by the coverage. Like, I did not expect such beautiful coverage from such an affordable foundation. And this retails for just 325 rupees. And I think it's a great pick. It's available on Amazon. You should definitely try out this product. Moving on, I have two recommendations for concealers as well. The first one being the also affordable Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer. It's a natural finish, lightweight concealer, and it's all of our favorites. This concealer does not make your under eyes look cakey. The only bummer is that it does not come in a lot of shades. So if you find your right shade, then go for it. It's beautiful. It makes your under eyes look naturally flawless. It's a medium coverage concealer, which is why it does not make your under eyes heavy or cakey, heavy or cakey. And yeah, I think you should definitely get your hands on this if you find your right shade. And the fact that it's super affordable makes it all the more amazing, right? The next product, it's a little higher on the budget. This is again from the House of Sugar. This is their Magic Wand Concealer. This is a creamy concealer beautiful coverage, like it's a medium to full coverage concealer. Does not make your under eyes look cakey but covers your dark circles like a dream. लाइक किसी को पता नहीं चलेगा कि आपने रात के 4 बजे तक नेटफ्लिक्स पे बिंज वॉच करा है. तो इफ़ यू फाइंड योर राइट शेड एंड इफ इट्स अवेलेबल ऑन अ डिस्काउंट, डू गेट योर हैंड्स ऑन दिस. You will love this product. Moving on, let's talk about compact powders. The first one that I want to talk about is from the house of Maybelline again. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Compact. The price is $199 and I am in the shade Sun Beige, the same shade that I use in my foundation, the Fit Me foundation. I have the same shade in the compact as well. This is a nice compact, long lasting, has a decent amount of coverage and it instantly mattifies your face. आपका T-zone, cheeks के area में, chin में, कहीं पे भी, like the wherever you feel oily, just dab this and this is going to make all of that oil go away. This is a total value for money and I think you should definitely get your hands on this if you're looking for a new compact. The next recommendation is by MyGlam. This is their MyGlam Lit Radiant Matte Compact. There is one thing about this compact that might be a pro to some or a con to some. For me, it's definitely a pro, which is why I'm recommending this to y'all. The thing is that this powder is very powdery, if that makes any sense at all. But what I'm trying to say is that इसको ना बहुत हार्ड प्रेस नहीं किया गया है, यू नो, तो बहुत किकबैक है. व्हेन यू लाइक पिक द प्रोडक्ट अप ना, काफ़ी प्रोडक्ट लाइक इन द पैन यू विल सी अ लॉट ऑफ किकबैक. So this can be used as a loose powder as well as a compact powder. So it kind of works as a 2-in-1 product, which is what I kind of like about it. And I'm using this in the shade Beat. This is available for 495 rupees. It's a good product. If you feel that one of the shades will match your skin tone, you can definitely get this. Now let's talk about the other base products like blush, contour and highlighters. For blush, I have from the House of Cuffs and Lashes these cute little cuppy cake blush. This is in the shade So Cheesy and these are available in a variety of shades. You can choose your own shade from the website and this is available for just 225 rupees, you guys. Like, that is super affordable and the quality of this product is beautiful. Like, this is blendable, is not supremely pigmented, which is what you're looking for in a blush and a contour shade. And this particular shade will go with all skin tones. And yeah, I loved this product. The next product is a contour, again from the House of Cuffs and Lashes. This is in the shade Tea Cakes. This is actually not a contour shade, it's more like a bronzer shade, but I generally do not use contours like those cool toned contours. I use bronzers. Bronzers kind of help you get the color back, create natural shadows on your face, and that's the look I generally go for. So I love this product. This again is available at 225 rupees and is available in a variety of shades. So if you're from the deeper skin tone or from the fairer skin tone than I am, you can choose your shade accordingly in the website. Now I have two recommendations for highlighters. One is our favorite, the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. This is a champagne highlighter. It's a Chatak in your face bling highlighter which is perfect for the festive season. So you can definitely pick this product up. The other highlighter recommendation is by the brand Swiss Beauty. This is in the shade 01 Golden. It's a very golden, like a yellow golden sort of a highlighter, and this will be good for medium to deeper skin tones, not so much for the fairer skin tones. This is again very affordable. You can get it from Amazon or even Cuffs and Lashes might have this. The next recommendation is a 3-in-1 product. If you have this, you don't need anything else like that I just showed for blush, contour and stuff. This is the Sugar 3-in-1 palette. It has a blush, a contour and a highlighter shade. You can get them individually as well, but I think it saves your pocket if you get this palette. And highlighters and blushes and contours last you a lifetime, so you definitely don't need to invest in multiples. Get this one palette and you will be sorted for years to come. The shades are also pretty good. This is in the shade Subtle Summit, and the highlighter is again not the highlighter is not as blingy as the other two, but it's a very good highlighter. It's not too subtle, not too blingy, just the right amount. The blush is a beautiful mauvey shade. The contour is also very nice. It's slightly cool toned but looks beautiful till medium skin tones. If you are towards the deeper skin tone, you can go for the second shade, which is Vivid Victory. This palette is a total save for your pocket, and you can get this on the Sugar website for $7.99, but it's most of the times available on great discounts, so it's like your pockets are going to be so thankful to you for getting this product. Now let's start with the eye makeup recommendations. The first product recommendation is for eyebrows. The affordable option is the Swiss Beauty. This retails for I think 65 rupees. It's supremely affordable, does the job. It's got this little brush right here on the cap. Only thing is that you need to sharpen this product, but for the price you pay, this is amazing. The next is from the House of Sugar. This is their Arch Arrival Brow Definer. I have this in the shade Felix Onyx. This is a retractable pencil, and it's a angled pencil that is like a normal pencil, sort of like the lip liners, kajals, like that kind of a pencil, the Swiss Beauty one. But the Sugar one is kind of slanted and has an angle to it, which makes it easy to mimic the natural hair growth. Just get your hands on this if you have the budget, and you will not regret it. Moving on, let's talk about eyeshadows. The first eyeshadow product that I want to talk about are crayon eyeshadows. These are from Kay Beauty. I have these in the shade Navigator and Starry Night. This Navigator is kind of like a royal blue shade, and Starry Night is a sparkly black sort of a shade, sparkly grayish black shade. It's a beautiful shade for a nice black smoky eyes. And these eyeshadows can be used all by themselves. You don't need any other shade. You can just apply them, blend the edges, and you're good to go. Or use them as a under eye kajal, eyeliner on top, any way that you want. And they're so beginner friendly. So if you're a beginner and you just want one eyeshadow that you can swipe across your eyelids and you're good to go, then these are the ones you should close your eyes and get. Next recommendation is an eyeshadow palette. This is from Mars. It's their 9-color eyeshadow palette. It has got 2 shimmer shades, one golden and one silver champagne sort of a shade, which I have on my eyes right here. The entire eye look that I have done is done with this baby right here. If you want to check out the tutorial, it's up on my Instagram. You can follow me there and check the tutorial out. Now coming to the eyeshadow palette, it's pigmented, blendable, affordable, and I don't know what more we look in an eyeshadow palette. This is great, has a nice staying power, comes in a lot of other shades as well, and is a total savior for your pocket. The next eyeshadow recommendation is liquid eyeshadows, and these are liquid glitter eyeshadows by Swiss Beauty. These glitter eyeshadows are completely value for money. They come in a variety of shades, and you can just apply them in the starting half of your eyelid, and it's going to look so glam. It's going to transform your look from a subtle, simple look to a high glam look, and yeah, that's what we are looking for in this festive season. So if you want some glitter, some glam to go with, these are your perfect pick. The next product recommendations are kajal. The first one is from Blue Heaven. This is their Black Shock 2X Intense Kajal. This is what I'm wearing as my eyeliner as well as on my lower lash line. This is kafi pigmented black and has a decent staying power. Again, super affordable. I think this is for like 130 or I think 130 or 150 rupees, not more than that. If you are looking for an affordable kajal, definitely get your hands on this. The next recommendation is by Nykaa. Then this is the Nykaa Rock the Line Kajal. I am completely over with this kajal, so I can't give you a swatch of this. This again is a good long lasting dark black kajal. It's not supremely black, but it's good, decent enough. For the price you pay, it's a good kajal. It has a decent enough staying power. It's not like going to last all day long. You might require to touch it up in your lower lash line. Upper lash line se to generally kajals don't fade off, but lower lash line se they might smudge off after let's say 4 hours. So you might have to retouch it. But other than that, it's a good kajal and it's affordable as well. For lipsticks recommendations, I can make like an entire video out of it. But for this particular video, I will talk about a nude lipstick, a pink lipstick, and a slightly nudish but brown lipstick, which will go with hopefully most of your outfits. The first one is by My Glam. This is from their Lit collection, and I got this lipstick for just 99 rupees. You can get it too if you participate in their survey. It is a matte lipstick, but it's comfortable on your lips. The shade is beautiful. It's going to suit all skin tones, like starting from fairer skin tones till deeper skin tones. This lipstick is going to look stunning, and it's a very unique shade as well. This is in the shade Micro Cheating. सब बता दिया, shade last में बता रही हूँ. Whatever. Like, this shade is a very unique, beautiful sort of a shade, and if you want to get just one lipstick from the My Glam collection, I would suggest this shade. It's a beautiful shade. The next lipstick is a nude recommendation. This is our favorite nude lipstick, Nude Nuance. This is from the Creamy Matte range by Maybelline. It does not last for a very long time, especially if you are wearing masks and all. This will transfer, and if you eat, it's of course gonna transfer. But for the price you pay and the shade you get and the quality you get and the comfort that you get, I'm sure retouching it is never going to be a problem. So yeah, get your hands on this if you're looking for a nice, beautiful, unique nude shade for yourself. The next lipstick recommendation is by Nykaa. This is again from the Creamy Matte range by Nykaa. This is a very nice pink shade that will suit all skin tones and will go with a lot of your festive outfits as well. So that was the last recommendation for the festive makeup kit that you can get yourself this festive season. Let me know down below if you own any of the products, or if you're going to get your hands on any of the products on my recommendations. I would love to know how they work for you and whether you like them or not. Let me know what other videos you want me to make. I would love to make them. Also, like I said, the festive season, I'm going to create a lot of new festive, interesting festive content. So please follow me and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. It'll mean the world to me if you leave a comment down and like my videos and share it with your friends and family.